Alright, so we're back. It's still the 28th. We had a couple more things come in, so I ran those as well. These are the jobs that we started with. This is where we started. Test print, printed this, printed this, printed this. Then I printed and cut these guys off. I just wanted you to see what it looked like when they're weeded, and then what this machine's actually capable of. I'm not sure what your application will be, but this job stays in the machine. It's printed on a regular basis. It's one of the things that I've developed just to make this machine work. These are very small stickers. You'll see here in just a second, I'll show them up close. It's got about I think they're like a ½ inch by like a ¼ inch or something like that. They're extremely small. Each one of these rows is 192, so there's 4 rows there. There's like 800 stickers right here, but that's what they look like. They're super small. There's blue, and then there's some orange ones. And this prints with a 6-color process, so we get a brighter blue and a brighter orange off this machine than you would a standard CMYK. You see here there's 6 colors, so there's your light blue and your light magenta. Traditionally you'd only see these 4 colors, not these 2. The other 2 colors are printing, but you'll only see clear coming out of those because it has cleaning solution in those. Let me cut this down. It's going to be really weird if I weed it with this big solid piece on there. So just cut that down and make it a little easier to weed. And then what we do is just grab that edge. We're going to weed this whole sheet at once. Bam, there's 260 of these blue ones, and then there's like 38 of these white ones here. And then we just trim it down here and here, roll them up, and you're out the door. You could tell these stickers all came out really good. Little fine details and stuff, you know. That's what they're sticking on their box. And so just so you see what we got going on with the rest of the machine, we're going to try to do this quickly. At the end of each day or run, I print this color bar just so that we can know what the machine is doing. If you see any kind of weird banding in it or something, you're going to be like, whoa, I need to clean it or something like that. And then when it's done, you come over here, turn it off. And then I always lift the handle and roll the material out of the machine. The reason why is it wakes up a couple of times every 6 hours, and inside there, this thing comes out over this. And if you leave the material in it, it goes like that, and it will rub all on your head and cause an ink strike or a head strike, and you don't want that. So you just take it and you go like this, and this material pretty much stays in this machine all the time. It's gloss vinyl, Oracal 3165. So I try to get it like that so that it collects the least amount of dust, so that when you put it back in, it doesn't have anywhere near as much dust in it. So that's the shutdown of the machine, and then here's the computer that runs it, and you can see these are all the files that we processed today. I mentioned those blue and little orange stickers print all the time, so they're in here, right here. And then this is what we ran today, these 3 jobs. And then I also ran a couple of these, and then there's the color bars, and those files are found here. There's the color bar, CMYK, RGB, and then these are the various cover-up stickers that I print all the time. And then these are the 3 files that we just printed and how we did it. So I hit that, send it, boom, it goes right here to this. There's your ink cartridges. These are the 2 colors that have cleaning solution. It's actually metallic and white. Those channels are brand new. They've never been used. This has a brand new head in it. This machine will clog if you don't use those colors all the time, and I really never use them. So that's why they have this in it, so that it maintains the head in absolutely perfect condition. Should you decide you want to use those colors, all you have to do is put those colors in here and tell the machine to pump it up, and it will fill you'll need 2 cartridges. Make sure you buy 2, because the first one's going to suck about half of it out just to fill up this machine. And then you put it, well, you know, you're going to be able to print for a while. You'll get a little bit out of it, but it's going to tell you almost right away you're going to need a new cartridge, because it warns you. There's a warning here on the machine that tells you it's not on, but it tells you here if there's a little warning will pop up if you're getting low on inks, and it'll tell you so that you can grab an ink cartridge. I always have my ink cartridges stocked. There's a fat stack of them right there. And you see the metallics and stuff are going to be up here at the top. They're not in the machine. Instead, I'm running these. These are the cleaning cartridges. So, and then there's your light magenta and your light cyan. I'm not running OEM cartridges. There's no reason to. This is a much better ink set, and it's half the price. These are OEM inks. I have a brand new machine right over there that runs the OEM inks only, and it totally hoses you. So these are like 130 bucks, and these are like 70 bucks, something like that. Anyway, I hope this has been informative, and there's the machine right there. This one is also for sale. This is a CMYK only SP unit, and anybody who knows what an SP is knows what this is. It's extremely detailed. It will pull extremely fine detail, like it made that sticker. It also made this sticker. Look at this sticker. Look at my finger. There you go. And look at the text on that. There's actually text inside the red too, or inside the color. I'm trying to get it to focus on it. These stickers are tiny. That's the best I can do. I have to back up. But yeah, so these are really, really, really small stickers. I mean, like, there's my fingernail. You know what I mean? These are extremely small stickers, and all of these came off of the SP machine. The SP machine is it has a totally different system. It's an older device, but it will cut and produce extremely small things, or very, very fine detailed things. It's slower though. It's about half the speed of one of these machines because it's like 10 years older. But that one is also in perfect condition, and it has everything everything, all of these machines. Not only do I stock the ink, there's all the parts, anything I need. You need, there's cleaning stuff. This is Teflon, more cleaning swabs, and then here's more parts. When I change the motor, stuff like that, software, ink tubes, cleaning solution. I mean, like, I have everything, and I will make sure that whoever buys these setups get everything that they need, including these racks, which will include vinyl. So there's a rack here, and then there's another one right there. So one per machine. I'm narrowing down my stuff. I'm just going to keep the new machine, and that's this system here. And the older machines are going to go, and I'm just going to have one. All right, thank you very much.